Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the channel bandwidth on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the admin page of our router, and to do that we're going to connect to our router's network and then type in the default IP address. So that will be 192.168.0.1. So let's enter. Now if you are logged out, to log in, the default username and password are both lowercase admin, just like this. So let's log in. Now we're gonna go to the home page, go to the Wi-Fi settings, go to the advanced settings tab, and here we have channel bandwidth. So change that to whatever option that you want. And once you've done that, press apply. Then if it asks you to restart, press yes, and then press confirm. And now that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.